it's Emily here with Something Borrowed Blooms and
Kelly.
And today we are back at it again with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we show you how to recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. And what do we have here today, Kelly?
Okay, so Stephanie from Tucson, Arizona requested that we recreate this asymmetrical monochromatic mantle installation, and we did it with the Gemma Collection.
We really love how this turned out, and keep on watching to learn how to do it.
Okay, to get the height on the right side of the mantle, we are going to place a Gemma Meadow and kind of start to work the Gemma Garland like in the meadow and then kind of more on the mantle surface.
Yes. So the Gemma Meadow kind of goes this way. We're gonna flip it to the back where there will be more greenery, but you want the highest point to be at the corner.
Perfect.
And then we're gonna add a garland in it to continue that height upwards, so it is a bit more linear.
Perfect.
Another garland. This is our Gemma Bougainvillea garland. This is the only garland that Gemma does have, but if you wanted to make it a little bit more collection cohesive to match the other pieces, you can add posy in it, which we will do. So that'll be the last step, but just wanted to say that just in case. And then you're gonna add another one right on top, another Gemma Meadow that we're gonna place right here, but we're gonna lay it on its side. So you kind of need a partner for this. So Kelly will lift the top garland and I am gonna slide it through.
Add in some posies as you go to make the color blend.
Posy right here. Yes.
And then we're gonna drape another garland like off the mantle.
Yes. The garland is easily able to be manipulated and intertwined throughout. So I'm gonna start from the edge and work through if you kind of want some hanging down.
And this bougainvillea is very
don't
sensitive, so some may fall off. That's okay. You're not hurting it.
And so add some flowers down here, some right here, and then I'm also going to add one to the edge right here. You can do this with any collection.
Oh yeah, that's so good.
Wow.
You know, we have an idea and we execute it. So good. Wow, wowza. Emily and I wanted to make the install a little bit more airy with the bougainvillea, so we do offer these bougainvillea stems for purchase, and we are actually like fully stocked right now.
Fully
stocked. Come and get them. These are great quality stems. They come to you like really long, so you can cut them as short as you want them. For this install, we probably won't cut them. So just adding a couple stems to get that airiness and the height.
And then we're gonna really go the extra mile and add them to this corner.
To this in the center?
I want to.
Okay. And you could just like keep adding some in the middle to make it like really airy. Y'all!
That's so good.
No, that's good.
That's gorgeous.
Okay, I'm gonna add another one.
Yeah, add it.
Just for...
That is stunning. That it's like a reward.
It's like a cake that looks so good you don't want to eat it. I don't want to take this down. I want to leave it up. Can we leave it up? We'll come work out here.
So there you have it, a pink monochrome mantle install using the Gemma Collection.
For this installation, we used Gemma Floral Meadows, Gemma Garland, Gemma Posies, and a few loose bougainvillea stems just to add a little bit of airiness.
Yes, and all the links will be posted in the description so you can easily click them and shop it. If you want to submit your own request, be sure to fill out the form in the description. If you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next time.
Bye.